Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you location and how to access a spare tire on 2008 Honda Ridgeline. First you wanna open a tailgate and then you want to lift up the trunk, and right there you can see your spare tire and jack. To pull out spare tire you will have to undo left and right wing nuts. After you remove those wing nuts, you can just simply pull out the spare tire. Comes pretty easy. Now it's much easier to grab it. So we have a jack kit here. You can remove jack kit first, and then you can place jack kit on the side. And now you wanna undo this wing nut as well. Now you can remove that holder. And now you can grab your spare tire out. This is gonna be the same location on Honda Ridgelines from 2006 to 2023. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.